Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2012 CLS 550 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 4.6 V8 twin turbo pushing out 402 horsepower and 443 pounds of torque. This one does come with the wheel package, which is going to give you 19-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. A black leather interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our CLS 550 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with a lane keeping assist and a blind spot assist. Opening up the door, we've got a Harman Kardon sound system. Memory seats, power windows, a black ash wood trim, illuminated door sills. Up and in, we've got a black ash and leather wood steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. This one also does come with active multi-contour seats, which are adjustable right there. Navigation, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This CLS has 102,339 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLS 550, check out feldmannimports.com.